That sleek one-piece cockpit saves you exactly 5 watts at race speed, but might cost you $400 just to change your stem length.
Wind tunnel data is clear but modest. At 40 kilometers an hour, fully hiding cables saves 3 to 8 watts compared to exposed housing. That is roughly 20 seconds saved over a 40-kilometer time trial, assuming you hold a perfect aero tuck.
However, the engineering trade-off is severe. A standard headset bearing replacement takes 30 minutes. On a fully integrated system like the 2025 Madone, it requires disconnecting hydraulic lines, rebleeding brakes, and hours of labor.
Not all integration is equal. Canyon's CP0018 offers width adjustment but 0 stem length changes. Conversely, Giant's semi-integrated routing puts cables under the stem, allowing easier swaps while retaining 90% of the aero benefit. This leads to the fit trap. Most riders need fit adjustments over time. If a stock 100mm stem causes back pain, a one-piece cockpit forces you to buy a proprietary $400 unit rather than a simple $40 stem. Unless you are sustaining over 35 kilometers per hour solo, the drag reduction is negligible compared to body position. If your budget is under $4,000, manufacturers often compromise on wheel quality to afford the aesthetic of hidden cables.
For 2026, prioritize semi-integrated systems, or standard bars with internal routing ports. If you must go fully integrated, get a professional bike fit before purchase to ensure the stock dimensions match your physiology.
Measure twice, buy once, or stick to two-piece systems.